Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2006 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, fog lights, audio headphone jacks, audio rear, volume control, cruise control, transmission temperature gauge, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.